Welcome, today I'm with AirPods 3 and iPhone, and I will show you how you can manage microphone options of these AirPods. So we have to be connected with our iOS device. In this case we are using the iPhone XR. So let's open the settings, find Bluetooth, and then when you are connected you have to tap on the information icon, and next you will find the microphone feature right here. So as you can see, currently we can go for automatic switch AirPods. We can always use left or always use right. So we can decide which one you want to choose. Honestly, I'm going to stay with the automatically switch AirPods, but if you prefer, for example, to go always with the right, just select like that. And that's all. After that, when you make a change, you can just go back. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.